Oh, hi. Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got another one of those. This is what I ate vegan for weight loss today. So, we're starting off with breakfast, and I've got my second cup of coffee in my beauty mug today.
Oh.
Because I'm feeling myself.
Yes.
I have no hair to push back.
It's an attitude. It's a vibe.
Okay. I've also frothed some soy milk. I really like having a fancy coffee in the morning. It makes me feel special. It's not bad for you.
Mm-hmm.
So why not, right?
Yeah.
If it's not hurting anybody else or yourself, why not? So I'm going to have the rest of that foam after I turn the camera off because I'm not going to bore you with that.
Don't want to be here all day scraping that out.
No. This is my breakfast for this morning. I've got one bag of frozen green beans, and on the other side I've got a little bit of leftover gluten-free pasta with some sliced olives on it, and of course some hot sauce. There's a little broccoli in there too because it was next to the pasta and it got thrown into the bowl as well, but that's going to be my breakfast. I think one of the biggest things to realize when you do calorie density is you don't have to put yourself into the box of, well, my plate is supposed to look like this. I'm supposed to have like an egg over here and then some meat and then I'm going to need some bread. You don't have, it's anything goes. If you want veggies for breakfast, eat veggies for breakfast. If you want pizza for breakfast, eat pizza for breakfast. Just make sure you have some veggies. Make sure that you're eating at least 50% of your food veggies, and you should be pretty much okay as long as you avoid the processed food and oil. Oil is a processed food, so that's in there, but I feel like I really have to point that out. And I also want to say, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you guys what you should be eating. I'm just showing you what I eat when I'm trying to lose weight on a whole food plant-based diet. So I'll see you later. Oh, it's lunchtime.
Yay!
I was about to say it's snack time, but we missed that because we were running around doing stuff.
Yeah.
Honestly, I really don't have a snack time in the morning unless we go for a bike ride or unless I do something strenuous. So it's time for lunch, and this is what I'm having for lunch.
Ooh.
Underneath is a giant bowl of romaine. This is probably like 2.5 smallish potatoes that I cut up, tossed with some arrowroot and this, what would you call this? Frank's Red Hot, but the powder.
The powder?
Yeah, it's in there. I can't find it right now. Sorry. It comes in a container. You shake it out. It doesn't have oil in it, so that's why I really like that. These fries don't have any oil. I just did them in the air fryer.
They are crispy.
About 20 minutes, maybe not even. These came out a little more desirable looking. These are a little powdery. Maybe these got too much arrowroot on them, but those are pretty much perfect.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you
Yeah,
can
I just tried one. It's very good. Yes.
It's really delicious. So the salad has practically salad water dressing.
Ew.
This is like my ranch, thinned down like ridiculously. And then my ketchup is fresh tomatoes.
Nice.
So this is my lunch. And this is going to be very filling. So there you have it.
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's snack time! And I kind of cheated because I already had one of these. But I made some of our Sesame Delights, except I put the sesame seeds on the inside. And this time I put a tiny a tiny chunk of dark chocolate, just one on the middle, just for a little bit of decadence.
Beautiful.
You don't want to go full chocolate chip because that's going to be too much if you're trying to lose weight. One, though, is nice enough, to say like, oh, I would like this little decadent snack, but that's too much for full chocolate chip. And then
Lucy says yes.
In my Syracuse cup, I've got a soy milk latte. Well, what's left of it anyway.
Very nice.
So I'm enjoying this with my second Sesame Delight.
Enjoy.
I'll drink to that. Dinner time.
Ooh.
So tonight, everybody else is having pizza because they're lucky and they can tolerate gluten.
Oh.
So here's the vegan pizza that I will be
Beautiful.
having with some vegan sausage. I made sushi sandwiches for me, but it's a little bit of a fusion situation.
You want to cut one open?
Sure. So this one has, well here, this is what's in the middle. Some
Oh my god, all that tofu left.
planks. Yes, I made extra so we would have it for
Love
lunch
it.
and stuff. So basically it's sushi rice, and then on the inside it's got the tofu plank, and then it's got red cabbage slaw, but it's street taco red cabbage slaw with the cilantro crema, so it's kind of like a little fusion situation.
Interesting.
So I'm having that with a giant salad
Beautiful.
with cucumber, tomato, red onion, romaine lettuce, house vinaigrette.
Good
And
stuff.
That's dinner for tonight. All right, well, the mayor of Halloween Town said, I don't normally do this, but I think it's okay if you have one more cookie.
He said, town meeting tonight.
He said, extra cookie tonight. So I showed you these before. I'm just going to have one more. You know why? Because it's healthy.
Yes.
I mean, there's nothing in here that's bad for you except the tiny little square of chocolate that I could throw in the garbage if I really didn't want to have it. But why? It's just 5 calories probably, right? 10 calories at most. So I'm just going
Just
to
a little something, something.
one little last amuse-bouche for the evening. And that's a whole day of what I ate to lose weight.
Good stuff.
On my whole food, plant-based, vegan day. So I hope you found it at least a little bit interesting. Maybe you got some ideas. Maybe I cleared up some things for you. If you have any questions that you want to ask, or if you have any suggestions for weight loss videos in the future.
Yeah. Let us
you'd
know
like
what's been
to
working
see.
for you.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. And I hope we can chatty chat in the comments. So I'll see you for the next video. Thanks for subscribing. And until next time, much love.